The Boston Celtics and the Lakers have been linked to a potential trade simply because the Lakers need one and the Boston Celtics are struggling. It's honestly just so weird and crazy to think that right now these two rival teams, they're simply expected to be one of the better teams in the league right now, but they're not living up to expectation. The Lakers right now are ranked as the 7th seed in the Western Conference and are fighting for a comfortable playoff spot, while the Boston Celtics right now are the 10th seed in the Eastern Conference, fighting for a play-in tournament spot. And even though these two teams are technically rivals and quote-unquote enemies, a trade could help out both sides, of course, if they're willing to do one. A lot of you Laker fans out there might be thinking of the possibility of the Lakers getting Jason Tatum. Oh boy, this scenario, this idea would be a dream come true. But of course, that's not gonna happen. Some of you might be thinking about the possibility of Jaylen Brown coming to LA. That of course is another popular idea when it comes to a reliable shooting guard scorer the Lakers could simply get a boost from. But scratch all that, we're not going to be talking about any of these two stars. We're going to be talking about another player on the Boston Celtics roster that I believe could be a beneficial target and addition. For this video, we're going to be talking about the Lakers going for Marcus Smart, the Boston Celtics current point guard, and somebody the Lakers are really interested in. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a very special episode of Easy Buckets. My name is Soom and I make basketball videos every single day. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications to not miss any of my upcoming videos. If you watched this video and you loved it, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Trust me, guys, it will help out the channel a lot. But without wasting any more time, let's get into the Boston Celtics and the Lakers trade. We got a report from John Hollinger, an NBA executive, that said this: the Lakers are surely making calls about off-ball guards like Marcus Smart, Norman Powell, and Derek White. I made a video a few days ago about the Lakers going for Norman Powell, but a lot of you gave me feedback saying that Marcus Smart would be the better option when it comes to Norman Powell or Derek White. So this video, we're going to be focusing on Marcus Smart. The report is specific and says, surely they're making calls about guards who can play off the ball, such as Portland's Norman Powell, San Antonio's Derek White, and Boston's Marcus Smart, but they need to set their sights a bit lower, says Hollinger. When talking about Marcus Smart specifically, Marcus Smart this year is averaging about 11.6 points per game, 4.0 rebounds, 5.4 assists, and 2.0 steals per game. These numbers don't really scream out superstar or all-star numbers, but I do believe these stats speak out a great quality of all-around stats that will be beneficial to a team that needs a reliable, solid role player. Marcus Smart is known for his passionate personality, his aggressive defense, and of course his veteran leadership. And right now with the Lakers having a solid starting lineup, Marcus Smart will simply be a great point guard off the bench that could be beneficial to even closing out games at the starting shooting guard position. Of course, the biggest thing with Marcus Smart is throughout his career, he hasn't been the most efficient player, shooting less than 40% for the field goal and less than 30% from the three-point line, but I do believe playing alongside elite playmakers of Russell Westbrook and LeBron James could make Marcus Smart elevate his game to a whole nother level. I do believe the biggest part about Marcus Smart coming to the Lakers has to be his defense. He's recognized as being one of the better defenders in the league, and of course with him averaging 2 steals per game, that defense is going to be very beneficial. And with the Lakers right now struggling in the defensive department, and with the Lakers used to being one of the best defensive teams in the league, bringing in Marcus Smart after they lost players like KCP and Alex Caruso could simply bring them back to that conversation. If the Lakers want Marcus Smart, they're going to have to offer up Talen Horton-Tucker and Kendrick Nunn simply in exchange for Marcus Smart. And I'm going to explain why this trade helps us both the Boston Celtics and the Lakers. On the Celtics perspective, right now with their season looking kind of lost. On the Boston Celtics perspective, right now their season is kind of hopeless. I don't believe they're going to be a contender in the Eastern Conference this year, and they need a shift. And that's why trading away Marcus Smart, a player they've had for a very long time now, for a more futuristic point of view of THT and Nunn could be beneficial, as THT and Nunn both have contracts going into next season and they're still going to be around. Marcus Smart is a point guard shooting guard combo guard, and of course THT and Nunn are both the exact same position. They can join the ranks of Jaylen Brown and Jason Tatum, and with both of these players having a lot of potential and having value in the NBA, the Boston Celtics could mold these players into the stars we all expect them to be. On the Lakers' perspective, their mentality is simple. They're going full throttle for the NBA championship, and they need good quality role players and leaders as soon as possible, and that's where Marcus Smart comes in. Marcus Smart has been with the Boston Celtics for a very long time now, but with them not being successful with Marcus Smart, maybe it's time to just cut the rope. Separate ways to a new path that of course could be beneficial for the franchise and Marcus Smart as an individual. As I mentioned earlier, Marcus Smart simply comes in. He doesn't have to even be a starting point guard, because Russell Westbrook will be. He can be the new starting shooting guard and replace Avery Bradley in the starting lineup. I believe Marcus Smart is a tremendous upgrade over Avery Bradley to be a shooting guard, catch and shoot player, but of course a low-end playmaker if needed if LeBron and Russell Westbrook needs to rest. Russell Westbrook has deep playoff experience, so he knows how to win and he knows what it takes to win. And I believe with Marcus Smart going to the Lakers, he'll know what it takes to lower his role, lower his value to help the team win. So yes guys, this wraps up my video for today, talking about the possibility of the Lakers getting Marcus Smart from the Boston Celtics. What do y'all think? What's most important to me is I want to know your thoughts. Do you believe this is a good trade for the Lakers? Is it a good trade for the Boston Celtics? Put your thoughts down in the comments below. But other than that, take it easy, God bless, and I'll see you all next time on Easy Buckets. Woo!